Malolele, it's Seal
and Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you please help us out with the clues? Awesome, thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai. It's a coat, a koti.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, they're gumboots, kamuputu.
And our third clue, clue tuatoru, is sitting right here beside us. It's very small, this one. Can you see what it is? Do you know what that is? Ai, ka pai. It's an umbrella, a hamarara. Do you know what? We have all 3 clues. We have a koti, a coat. We have kamuputu, gumboots. And we have a hamarara, an umbrella.
Oh, I know what song we're going to sing. It's our waiata, Peke In The Rain.
That's right. We're going to have lots of fun trying to figure out what we can do when it's raining. What do you think you could do? Maybe we can do some jumping, maybe a couple of other things. Who knows?
I'll count to toru and click my fingers and we'll go have a sing-along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Oh, the rain is falling down. What can I do today? I'll grab my koti and my kamuputu, open up my hamarara and peke in the rain. Peke in the rain. Peke in the rain. Peke in the rain. I'll peke in the rain until it stops. Oh, the rain is falling down. What can I do today? I'll grab my koti and my kamuputu, open up my hamarara and hooty in the rain. Hooty in the rain. Hooty in the rain. Hooty in the rain. I'll hooty in the rain until it stops. Oh, the rain is falling down. What can I do today? I'll grab my koti and my kamuputu, open up my hamarara and kani in the rain. Kani in the rain. Kani in the rain. Kani in the rain. I'll kani in the rain until it stops. Hooty in the rain. Hooty in the rain. Hooty in the rain. I'll hooty in the rain until it stops. Peke in the rain. Peke in the rain. Peke in the rain. I'll peke in the rain until it stops.
I'm so tired from all that dancing.
Did you have fun jumping in the rain? Cool, nice.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember some of the kupu that we learned today, some of the words. Here's our first one. Starts with the sound ke, ko, koti, coat.
Our next word also starts with the sound k, ka, kamuputu, gumboot.
Our next word starts with the sound Ha, hamarara, umbrella.
Our next word starts with the sound P, pe, peke, to jump.
Our next sound starts with the sound H, hu, huri huri, spin.
And our last word starts with the sound K, ka, kani kani, to dance.
Well done. We hope you enjoyed jumping and spinning and dancing in the rain. We had so much fun with you, but I think we may need to do a bit of breathing. Should we go do our Haki Roto song and then sing our goodbye song?
Haki Roto, Haki Waho, Haki Roto, Haki Waho. Breathing helps us to calm down. Breathe in, breathe out slowly now. Haki Roto, Haki Waho, Haki Roto, Haki Waho.
Goodbye, everybody. It's time to go. Goodbye, everybody. We'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes. Oh no, my